So the Beyblade app lets you battle around the world, all your friends. You can scan your physical top into the app, mix and match, customize, and create your own battle. We have a global leaderboard. You can battle any other blader anywhere at any time. For 2018, we took it up another notch. We had the first RC-controlled Beyblade top. So you can act the same app that you play the game with, you can now control your top. It comes with a unique launcher and stand that's separate apart to hold your phone. And then you launch it as you would with any normal top. Put it on the launcher, lock it in. Jeff's gonna help me demonstrate. Launch your top as you normally would, and then you can steer spin direction, speed, and unleash special attacks. So when he hits that avatar attack button, the top lights up and gets unique motion. And then as soon as the avatar attack's over, he can go back, change the direction, and do other things to throw his opponent off course. The great thing about these, all the tech is housed in the performance tip, so you can mix and match energy layers and forge disc with the rest of your bays, and these burst as well. So consistent with the play, but an all new play pattern and that RC control capability in the Beyblade Burst app.